name is Marissa.
And more Aotearoa Winton School. Ko Oliver ahau. I'm Oliver.
Welcome back to the N.E.W.S news for Ratu, the 19th of June.
Right on to te kupu or te wiki.
This week's word is Takohanga.
Takohanga means responsibility.
On to health and safety news. The clear sky UV forecast for today is low. Stay warm, Winton School.
On to today's notices.
A reminder, there is band on today in the hall at lunchtime. Please bring your instruments and be ready to go.
There is junior kapa haka in room 5 at morning tea.
The hall is open at morning tea for gymnastics.
Science fair meeting in the library at morning tea today, please. Bring along any sciencey ideas you would like to investigate.
A reminder to all ambassadors, please meet Mrs. Collett in the library tomorrow at morning tea. That's tomorrow at morning tea. Don't forget.
You ambassadors must turn up tomorrow at morning tea, please.
There is a conservation meeting at lunchtime in room 13 today.
There are many house meetings on today, so listen up to see where you are.
At House, please meet in room 13 at morning tea.
Oriti House, please meet in the library at morning tea.
Waiau, please meet in the hall at morning tea.
Hokanui, please meet in room 12 at morning tea.
Takatimu, please meet in room 11 at morning tea.
On to birthday news!
Happy birthday to Olivia in room 10.
Have a great day, Olivia. Now, if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team, ka kite popo.
Haere, and see you tomorrow, Winton School.